Today I'm going to show you one delicious way to enjoy ramen noodles. A mildly spicy, flavorful, and colorful dish. It's easy to prepare, budget-friendly, and nutritious, and can be served as a main dish or as a side dish. Let's begin by boiling water in a large saucepan. Cook 3 packages of ramen noodles according to package directions and discard the seasoning packets. Cook the ramen noodles only for about 2 to 3 minutes until just tender but not soggy. Drain most of the water, reserving 1/4 cup of the starchy water, and then set this aside. Place in the oven or fry about 1 cup crunchy butterfly shrimp, the breaded variety. In a medium bowl, mix together 1/4 cup chunky peanut butter, 3 tablespoons low-sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon ground red pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and 2 teaspoons toasted sesame oil. Add the reserved ramen water and combine well until smooth and creamy. Sauté in olive oil 1/2 cup of sweet peppers, 5 ounces or 1 small can of drained water chestnuts, and then add about 1 cup of spinach and cook until the leaves are just slightly wilted, and then set this aside. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, mix in 1 tablespoon dried onion and 1 teaspoon powdered beef bouillon. Then beat 2 large eggs. Turn off the heat, then add the cooked ramen along with the peanut sauce mixture and toss well to coat. Add the sautéed sweet peppers, water chestnuts, and spinach. And then add the shrimp. Add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame seeds. This will add a unique flavor and texture. We have now prepared our pad thai-inspired ramen dish. Precious, delicious, and complete meal. For family dinners, get-togethers, date night dish, or simply just to be enjoyed any time of the day. Thanks so much for watching.